I believe you will be amazed at the power and flexibility of the wood crusher. They are truly a pinnacle of technological invention, helping people save time and effort in processing wood. Join us to discover it through the following video. In Belgium, the WC2500TX whole tree chipper is popular because it is an advanced technology in the wood processing industry. With the ability to process up to 25 tons of wood per hour, it brings high efficiency and convenience in processing and recycling wood materials. This wood chipper has a feed compartment design that can vary in size, helping to optimize the wood processing process and improve working efficiency. The Hyzohack HM84 00 wood chipper is a specialized wood chipper used to chop wood into smaller pieces, suitable for biofuel use or in the wood industry. Designed to process both hardwood and softwood, this machine is capable of processing wood up to 40 centimeters in diameter. Diamond 2000 chipping machine is manufactured in Germany with the great advantage of mobility and high performance. Up to 500 cubic meters of high-quality wood chips in 1 hour. The SMC 812 compact wood chipper demonstrates class-leading wood chipping performance along with excellent portability. It can shred large tree trunks and bulky branches. With a capacity of more than 500 horsepower, the Volvo FMX wood chipper removes large amounts of trees and turns them into wood chips, returning clear land to this city. This will be great information for you. With a Jens wood chipper with more than 1,500 horsepower, Erwin Keller has turned dry waste wood into valuable heating material for wood chip heating systems. It has been heated in a CO2 neutral, climate friendly way using local energy for more than 20 years. This creativity and effective use of natural resources is an important step forward in environmental protection and sustainable development. The Pezzolato PTH 1200/820 Hackerock drumwood chipper is equipped with a powerful MAN 480 HP engine, providing outstanding performance in wood processing. With its integrated Epsilon Powfinger crane, this machine offers great flexibility and efficiency when operating in large wood crushing and processing operations. Even though this Hyzohack wood chipper has been used for many years, it still operates strong and durable, meeting the strict requirements of the wood industry. The HM14 800K wood chipper is an effective solution for wood chip production with an impressive productivity reaching up to 120 m3 per hour. With this incredible capacity, it has become the top choice in wood processing businesses, helping to optimize the production process and increase working efficiency. The Biber 84 wood chipper is an impressive device with a large loading chamber, allowing large quantities of wood to be loaded with ease. In particular, the machine's flexibility allows for continuous changes to suit any size of wood, from small to large. This makes using the machine more convenient and efficient during wood processing. The vibration of this chopper demonstrates its great power, showing its ability to process materials powerfully and efficiently. Therefore, workers need to maintain a safe distance to avoid danger when the machine is operating. It seemed like this Brush Bandit model 1590 XP couldn't handle that giant log. But unexpectedly, that tree was swallowed by the machine. The Environmental Protection Team is actively working to clear trees around the city to maintain greenness and cleanliness. During this process, they used a Solsco 813XT wood chipper to turn cut tree parts into small wood pellets, helping to recycle and make the most of wood resources. After a big storm, this large pine tree was knocked down, making it difficult to travel. Immediately, the Moorbark chipper processed this tree, helping to quickly clean up the scene while creating new fuel, minimizing waste. The Bandit 15XP wood chipper is an ideal choice for processing wood with a maximum tree diameter of about 38 cm. In addition, the strength of this machine is its flexible mobility, helping users easily transport and use it in many different locations. In Australia, after the Christmas holiday, large amounts of pine branches are thrown into the environment. Cleanup workers are utilising chipper machines to convert these pine branches into new biomass feedstock, which is an innovative and sustainable way to recycle and reuse natural resources. For small and medium-sized needs such as households, using homemade wood chipper is the ideal choice. These devices not only help save time and effort, but also bring high efficiency in the wood processing process. In particular, these chipper machines are convenient and easy to use, suitable for everyone, from beginners to those with experience in wood processing. In Australia, even though the winter weather is very harsh, this wood chipper still works strong and durable for a long time. I couldn't believe my eyes. This wood chipper swallowed logs at breakneck speed. Users need to be careful to avoid any problems. This is the one wood chipper for families. I believe you will be amazed at its wood chopping ability. It was a bit scary to see the Brush 1890 shred this giant spruce tree so easily. The Bandit 21XP chipper stands out among wood chipper machines because of its high capacity of up to 275 horsepower and extremely large chipper mouth size. Can you believe it? Vermeer WC2500XL wood chipper can chop up to nearly 5 tons of wood per hour. With the ability to chop wood at high speed, this machine can process 14 m3 of wood per hour, bringing high work efficiency. With a capacity of more than 200 horsepower, it's great that the Brush Bandit 280 HD wood chipper can handle trees up to 40 centimeters in diameter. Wow, Bandit 21XP is like a black monster devouring giant trees. It seems the tree is too big for the power of this wood chipper. But fortunately, in the end, it was still handled successfully. Outstanding in the field of wood chipping, Morbark 1215 can handle even stubborn oak trees with ease. The vibration of the Bandit 1890 XP when chopping an 18-inch tree shows its strength and endurance. The ability to work quickly and effectively with the Power King 14 HP wood chipper is undeniable. In Colombia, this is the ideal chipper for working in clearings, sawmills, farming or forestry. He really liked this wood chipper because it helped him save a lot of time and effort during gardening. Watching him use his hand to put the tree branch deep into the machine's mouth made me really worried. People just need to put the tree in their mouth, and when it comes to pulling the tree in and chopping up the product, this chopping machine will process it itself. Don't let its size fool you. These machines don't pack a punch, they're just big compact machines. Although the first time using the Ducar 15 HP wood chipper was a bit strange, he decided to buy it immediately because he was really satisfied with its powerful working ability. It's amazing to see how this 120 horsepower wood chipper can turn large logs into small pieces in just a few seconds. The power of a wood chipper not only makes the wood processing process easier, but also helps reduce resource waste. Not only is it beautiful, but this wood chipper is designed to protect the safety of users. The compactness and robustness of the Scarpex 28 wood chipper make it a popular device for home and farm work. Thanks to this convenient wood chipper, he alone can take care of all the work in this small forest.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.